Hello students, today we will be doing our next activity, and for this next activity we won't be using MS Word. Instead we will be using Tux Paint. As you can see over here, Tux Paint has the icon of a penguin. Now in the same way how we open MS Word and other applications, go to Start and search for Tux Paint. Now on the screen you can see this image. It is there in your textbook as well. What we have to do is draw the following picture using the tools that we have learned till now. Now before we move any further, since this is an activity, let me also tell you something interesting. While you are watching this video, I would suggest that you use earphones or headphones, because Tux Paint has something really interesting. I'll just give you an example. If you are wearing your earphone or headphone, you will get to know this. Now if I draw anything, I'll start from the left hand side, drawing from here. If you heard, whenever we take any drawing, if we are using the brush or anything else, if you are drawing it on the left hand side, the sound will come on the left hand side, and as you take it to the center, the sound will be in the center. You take it to the right, the sound will move to the right. It's not compulsory that you use earphones, but if you use, it is a really fun activity to do. Okay, so first of all, select Paint tool. Now Paint tool, the icon is over here. Let us search for Paint tool. You will get it over here. It is already selected. And select the Spirals sub tool. Sub tool means whatever we get under this. Now if we select Paint, the sub tools are over here. Okay, so we have to select the Spirals sub tool. Spirals is over here. You just have to click on it and it is selected. Choose green color from the palette. Palette means the portion from where we select colors. As you can see over here, we have the colors. This is known as a color palette. Choose green color. I will open this image. Over here we can see we have a dark green color. So let us select this color. Select a point on the drawing screen. Click 7 to 8 times at the same spot and you will get a beautiful design on the screen. It is somewhere close to this icon, close to the new icon. So I will try to do it in the same way. This green and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, draw 5 more patterns in the same line using red, purple, orange, pink and blue color. Let's go for red. Before that, let us see how it looks like. It is above this color. Okay, so 7 to 8 times done with the red. Next one, purple. Purple is little above the yellow color. Next, orange. Orange is somewhere in between these two colors. Next, pink and blue color. Pink is somewhere above purple. And next one is blue. Blue will be exactly in the corner. Next, select yellow color and then select triangle pattern. First let us select yellow and then select the triangle pattern. It looks like this. You can scroll from here and here is the triangle. Draw triangle patterns as shown in the figure. Triangles you can see over here, here, here and here. Total we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is selected, yellow color, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next, select paint tool. Back to this paint tool. The first level brush gets selected by default. What do you mean by default? Anything that happens first. For example, when I started Tux Paint, paint was already selected. So this is known as default. That means जो पहले से ही है. The settings that are there from the start itself. Draw the curves as shown in the figure. Paint tool and we have to draw the curves, these ones from here to here, here to here and take it till here. We just have to leave this portion over here. They have used purple over here. From here to here and then here to here. Now leaving these two, we have to start from here to here. And from here to here. Next, select spirals pattern. We had already done this earlier. Spirals you will get over here. Select pink color. Pink is over here. And drag the pointer in a zigzag manner as shown in the figure. Now which one is zigzag? You can see over here from here to here, this and this and this. So we will take it from one corner till here and then the triangle, again the center, again above the triangle. This is selected and this is selected. We will start from close to this point. Now in the same way, similarly, make the spirals pattern using orange color at the bottom of the canvas. Canvas means the place where we are painting or drawing. Similarly means in this same way, we have to start from here to here, from here to here. So let's select orange. Okay, so we have done with this. Next, paste the flower stamp in the center. Now what is stamp? You can see this option over here. This is called stamp. Now I don't have any image of flower over here, so I will take any one from here, this penguin, and you can see it is showing the outline wherever you want to put it. I will keep it over here in place of flower and I'll just click once. So the stamp has come over here. Next, select the paint tool and choose haze brush. What do you mean by haze brush? The meaning of haze is when you see something you can't see it clearly, or it is not that much sharp. The image is not sharp, it is very blunt. Now we have to select paint and I will select a bigger one from here. Now since there is no flower, there is a penguin over here, I will go for the black color. And what we have to do is drag the pointer on the outline of a rose. As I said, in place of rose we have this penguin. So I will just make an outline over here. As you can see, it is not clear, so this is known as haze. Next, use blur magic to lighten the red color in the rose. Blur is also a kind of haze. Now where will you get blur magic? Just select over here magic and blur. Now just watch closely. When I drag on this, what happens? As you can see, when I was using the haze brush, it was not that much accurate, or you could see some outlines also were not correct. But after using blur, it will make all the edges very smooth. Save the file by clicking on the save button. Save you will find over here. Click on this and it is already saved. So that's it for this video. Thank you, students.